Hey guys, I just got this recon1 from coldsteel. It's a tanto blade. It's so tiny. I've been practicing it just today, and I'm learning a lot from this knife as of the moment. Thing is, this knife is so tiny that you can't use your one hand to open and close it directly. So I made a knot at the back. That's it. It's a snake knot, and then it would help you hold the knife properly. At the same time, also, in flicking the knife open, you can use it as one of your support, and you can flick it with one hand. One thing I learned also today is that, if you don't want to close the knife this way because it's two hands and it's so newbie-like. So what I did was I untightened this lock here, and then when I press this, it's gonna go down, and there you go. The thing also you have to learn is if it's not tight, if this is not tight, then you have to be careful. It might go to your hand when you do this and might hurt you. So what I did was I just angled it that way. When I click, it doesn't come up, unlike if you do it this way. It's going to go direct to your hand and it's going to hurt you. So might as well tilt it a bit down there. Oh, can't do it. And then take it. So that's it. It's a Recon 1 cold steel tanto coming from a knife newbie.